Can you see it?
Yeah.
That little thing?
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is fun.
Wow.
Technology these days.
Yeah. Because,
Yeah,
like,
okay.
see the
I want to
chalupa?
keep some
Like,
distance
walk
from.
straight. Walk straight.
Okay. Okay.
Papa, walk straight. Like, turn back, turn around. Yeah, walk straight.
Okay. I turned around.
Walk straight,
Okay.
walk straight. Walk straight,
I'm.
straight, straight, straight. Straight, straight. Or straight. No, Papa. Go straight.
This
Like,
direction. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Keep going, keep going, keep
Yeah.
going.
Yeah. Okay.
It's yellow.
Okay. There is nothing that symbol. Don't go near to that. There is nothing with I there. You just have to turn around. I can't see anything now. Turn, still turn. No, still nothing is there. Still move further. Yeah, there is something. Move further.
Yeah, I think it's here.
Yeah.
So the next this number is 8.
And then walk
This way?
across the flat part. Walk across
What?
the flat. Walk across the flat part. So, okay,
What is, like, which
go
flat
go
part?
left, like 90. Turn 90 degrees and go left. No,
This-
other way. Other way. Oh my goodness.
Up?
It's a flat part. It's a flat. Yeah, up. Oh my god.
Okay. You said flat part. This is the opposite of flat.
Wait, is that the flat part? Okay, like stop. Just stop.
This is a hill.
Pylon.
Okay.
Stop. Like diagonally opposite. Just go diagonally opposite. Brennan is standing there. वो Brennan के direction में सीधा जाओ. You will get equal to. And then after equal to, keep going diagonally opposite. You will find a V. I don't know which color is that. That has to be green. I'm not sure, but I can see a V there.
We. That's what I located before.
So I put 1.
Yeah, no, not yet. Wait, don't walk so fast. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, but not, maybe a little steps. Wait. Don't move. Stay there.
Okay.
This is so funny. I'm watching myself in third person. This is great.
I feel like I'm icing
I'm
the
so
sky.
weird. Yeah.
Like 10 feet down.
Okay,
Over
keep
there.
going.
To that?
Yeah, to that pylon.
Okay.
Okay, doing good on battery.
Can you see me?
61%, yeah. Wait, no, but...
Alright,
Okay, wait.
I'm at the other pylon.
Wait. I can't find you. This is Wait, are you
Right
behind
here,
a tree?
right
Is that why?
No, I'm right here.
Wait, one sec. Oh,
Where
I
are you
see
looking?
You
Right
are
here.
behind a tree. Okay, got it. Okay, I put it to 20 meters because that seems really high to me. It's kind of wild. Like, I can see the horizon line now. That's amazing. Yeah.
Went out of control. Yeah, it fell down. Lucky.
Oh no. Oh god.